Let's take a look at digital forms. These allow patients or clients to complete important tasks online such as registration, pre-admission forms, self-referrals and consent forms. Forms can also be used for surveys, outcome measures like the K10, risk assessments, feedback forms, intake questionnaires and service evaluations. All of these are filled out by the patient or client and flow directly into MasterCare Plus. Now let's look at some examples. Forms collect mandatory information and can be built as either single-page or multi-page forms. They can also include recording of signatures. They can capture detailed demographics, clinical history, service preferences, or even weighted clinical assessments. To manage your forms, you must be logged in as a manager. To create a new form, click New Form. You can choose from an existing template or start from a blank page. The Form Builder makes this process simple and intuitive. You can drag and drop fields into place or use partial forms to quickly build out sections. Partial forms act as pre-built components, such as demographics, contact details, or consent sections, that you can reuse across multiple forms. This saves time and ensures consistency. This flexibility allows you to create forms tailored to your needs without requiring technical expertise. You can configure logic to guide responses by showing or hiding fields based on answers, update or rename field labels at any stage without starting over, and even embed your forms directly on any website for easier client access. The online forms section itself can also be fully customized to match your organization's branding, allowing you to adjust colors, logos, layouts, and overall style so the forms feel like a seamless extension of your digital front door. From the Customized Online Forms tab, you can view all available forms and preview them as they would appear to a client. Now let's move to the MasterCare Plus inbox. Here, we can see all incoming messages and form submissions from the digital front door or other secure messaging sources, all organized in one central inbox for easier management. From this view, you have full control. You can reject a form if it's not relevant, reply quickly using a preset template, forward it to another user, or reassign it to a specific team for follow-up. When you press Process, the system automatically extracts the data. You can then match it against an existing client or create a new client in just 3 clicks. The client record is populated automatically. Now let's look at digital forms inside the digital front door. From here, select Manage Forms to see the type of form, how it's transmitted and the number of submissions. You can also choose whether a form stays in the digital front door for a set period of time, while also sending automatically into your MasterCare Plus inbox. If secure messaging is enabled, submissions can also be sent via ReferralNet for secure transmission. The entire digital front door site can be configured to point to a specific inbox in MasterCare Plus, such as the admin inbox. You can also route individual forms to specific teams, for example, referrals to intake, assessments to clinical staff and feedback to administration. This is managed through the integration settings in the admin configuration. There are also advanced configuration options. For example, you can display a thank you message after submission, enable 80+ language translations, add voiceovers for accessibility, send reminders to complete a form, or even trigger a notification email to staff if a client answers a particular question in a certain way. Digital forms give you flexibility, security, and automation, making it easier for clients to engage and for your teams to process information quickly and accurately. For more details on specific configuration tasks, check out our other admin-focused videos. Thanks for watching.